और मैं आपको विश्वास के साथ कह सकता हूं कि नई दिल्ली जो हमारी विधानसभा है उसमें भी 8 तारीख को कमल खिलेगा और अच्छी भारी बहुमत से मिलेगा।
लोगों को कोई पैगाम देना चाहेंगे?
थैंक यू सर। हो गया।
थैंक यू।
So that's Parvesh Verma. And at the Yamuna Ghat, as much of political messaging as, of course, the Havan that's being organized. So God's blessings, temple visits, like we've seen happening. I want to immediately go across to Shreya first. Shreya Chatterjee joining me. Shreya, I hope that there won't be any crime incident to cover this morning. It will be all about voting and Delhi voters' enthusiasm. You tell me, where are you standing right now? What is the mood looking like around you?
I'm in the New Delhi constituency. This is Lady. I hope that there won't be any crime. There's been quite some of the late night craze that we saw yesterday.
Delhi voters come out in large number. This seat is one of the key battle constituencies between Arvind Kejriwal, Parvesh Verma and Sandeep Dixit. Here itself, we will be seeing Manish Sisodia shortly arriving to cast his vote, and the same goes for Arvind Kejriwal. At the end of the day, it will be interesting to see who's free.
एक ऐसी सरकार बनाए जो केंद्र के साथ झगड़ा नहीं करे, मिलकर काम करे और बेहतर दिल्ली, बेहतर राजधानी बनाने के लिए हम विकसित राजधानी बनाए।
27 साल पर आरोप लगे हैं कैश बांटने के।
27 साल से दिल्ली में भाजपा सुबह खत्म हो गई। लंबे वर्षों का संघर्ष का परिणाम का दिन है आज और हमारे सभी कार्यकर्ता पूरी शिद्दत और जुनून के साथ काम करें। इसलिए मुझे भी लगता है कि दिल्ली की जनता का भरपूर आशीर्वाद आज हमें मिलने वाला है। धन्यवाद।
Sachdev are speaking there and confident, hopeful. I want to also bring in Maushmi if she's patched live with us. Maushmi, good morning. What a week, in fact a month more than it, of political discourse, scathing charges. Every party is confident. What do you make of what exactly is going to happen this morning in Delhi?
A very good morning to you, Pooja. It's Dilwalon ki Delhi, and the Dilwalas are going to make it really count today. That's what we all hope and expect from the Delhiwalas. And it's a diametrically opposite situation within 6 months, Pooja, if you talk about the weather in Delhi, because in the Lok Sabha elections, when Delhi was going to polls, I was at this booth in Khan Market, the Atal Adarsh Vidyalaya, and it was scorching hot, and we had to really trace voters coming in, trickling in the afternoon peak hours. But it's a very good weather. Not too cold, really, and so we'll appeal to the Delhiwalas to come. And New Delhi constituency, as you know, has been in the spotlight with Arvind Kejriwal, Parvesh Verma and Sandeep Dixit, you know, locked in a triangular contest. The entry of Sandeep Dixit was announced by the Congress even before the candidature of the BJP candidate, Parvesh Verma, and that's how the battle has turned very interesting, Pooja. But to start with, politics set aside, this is the dance of democracy, and you can see in Delhi how, you know, the model polling booths look like. This has all been done by the students of this school. Really, you can see that this is Matdata Mahotsav, Loktantra ka maan, Shat Pratishat Matdan. All these rangolis, these paintings, and the welcome organized and prepared with a lot of labor by the school teachers and students. And that's why, you know, you have to make it count is what I'll tell the Delhiites. And when you go to a booth, you'll have a lot of welcome. The Election Commission said that a lot of facilities have been given, and they've appealed for the voters to come out. So the challenge in front of the Delhi voters is to better the record of last time in the assembly elections of 2020.
Maushmi, looks like a festival, literally a wedding season. It looks like it takes a lot to really convince the Delhi voter to come out and vote.